Does it matter which cloud platform? Most companies here use Azure. Then learn Azure. It's very, very simple. Use what people need most, what companies need most. If you want to stay in your area, I think the answer is already here. Use Azure. When you look at generally, you're going to find out that AWS is like 50% of the market. Then you have Azure. Then you have GCP. Then you have the other stuff like nobody uses. But if, as I said, like if you have AWS and in your area, people are using AWS. It's in like every job opening. Then go for AWS. Not go for Azure, not AWS. Go for Azure. Use it. Get into it. If you learned Azure, if you learned Microsoft stuff, then if you know Azure, then you can go AWS. So yeah, take it like that.